Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new exciting project with the name Petoverse. It is a new project, very exciting project. For example, auto staking platform. They have NFTs, they have a game coming out, and yeah, let me show you a little bit. It has a very high fixed APY with over 2 million%. And for example, if you would invest $100, you could potentially earn after 1 year $2 million, over $2 million. Okay, so you can check the homepage here. I'm not gonna go into detail here. You can do it yourself. They are KYC'd. Here you see they have NFTs. If you buy, there's a slippage, and if you sell, there's a slippage. Here they compare their platform with other platforms. And yeah, they're KYC'd. Here you see the team. And how does this work? I will show you. So you can go to the dashboard. How does it work? First of all, you buy BNB and put them in your wallet. Yeah. Then you can go here to buy Peto and you exchange your BNB to Peto. Okay. Then those Petos stay in your wallet, and you are getting more and more Petos every day because of this very high APY of over 2 million%. So all you have to do, you buy the Petos, have them in your wallet, and you get more and more Petos every day without doing anything. So if you go to your account, you see what you have in your account. If you go to calculator, for example, you can type in the number of Petos that you have, then price at purchase, future price. Of course, we don't know the future price, but let's say it stays the same. And if you would have an initial investment of $2,100, you could earn up to $11,133. Of course, always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you those projects that can bring you some additional money and income. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and see you.